Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's gonna take a little bit for it. Like, we're just.
Oh my god. Call it. It's not it.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Hotel.
Oh my god.
Hotels are good.
Oh my god. I'm already. Oh my god. He's just doing such a great job. Oh my god. Do I turn it off?
Yeah. It tastes good. And plus, I'm drinking a drink, so it's like. When the water
There's about to be 4. Sorry.
Only.
We
It
can
takes
stream
2?
it.
It takes 2. Okay. Damn, that's a
What?
good one. Shit, they loved it. The thing.
Oh my.
The whole sweating right now.
Let me look it off.
You
What?
gotta be.
Oh my god. Uh-huh.
If you have. What did you say? Fabulous. Whenever they have diamond rings, I would.
I thought about
I didn't put it.
this house has to be spotless. Call them.
Sandwiches. Of ice cream sandwiches?
Yeah.
If you know, you know.
My bad. Yeah. Oh my god, look.
Focus are dirty.
No, I'm not.
Snack part.
Maybe they'll just give us like 1
Viewer.
Okay. Okay.
Online. Like I hope.
Does PR
Pop stroke.
yeah.
So that way you can, you know, drink your soda.
Wait.
Lucha, 10 out of 10.
Oh my god. Oh my god. All these burps are getting stuck in my stomach and not in my...
When you're wiping your face, huh? That was bad.
Thank you. But it's not spicy.
Yeah, so it's like a, what do they make the chile rellenos out of?
Chile serrano?
Yeah, is that it?
I'll show you. Fucking ass again. Wait, let me wash my hands. Hold on. Okay. I think you got this. It's in the way.
Duke, go. You put him up? I'll put him up. Come on. Duke, come here. Up. 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 Duke.
Dude, go upstairs.
Come on.
Again. Just one more time.
I literally went like this.
Holy shit. Wait, I'm picking my wedgie again. Hold up. Okay. 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 Hold on, I gotta get in there. Okay, go. Wait. Oh my god. Oh my god.
So that's 1/3 of the time.
I'm burping with no drink in me yet. Oh my god.
Do you want extra ice or no? Nice.
No, no, no.
Wait, no, I'm asking the format, because, you know.
Oh my god. Okay.
What's going on?
I told you my stomach hurted.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. I was like, my stomach hurts.
This called her a while ago. We traveled to like fucking. If you tried to. Well, no, I had a drink as a card. Least likely to be a target for identity theft. The creamer we're using tonight, and there's the espresso mix we're using tonight. And the games, you paid for the game.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have his name. You probably have like 10. I have like
I do have
0.
a cute.
That was a loud one. I would not eat alive. Alive?
Who are you texting? I feel like you would do that. No.
I'm adjusting it. Wait, what did he say? What did he say? Can you burp the ABCs? My bad. So she.
Shut up.
Are you drunk?
No.
Wait, let's go to
Yes.
We All Scream.
Okay, let's go.
Bet.
Right now?
Yeah, go. Let's get ready.
Right now?
Yeah.
You're fucking lying, dude. It's already 12 in the morning. It's already 12 at midnight. It fucking closes at like what, 3? By the time we get there and park, we.
The fuck are you talking about?
Oh, I don't know.
We All Scream closes at 2 a.m.
Exactly my point. It's already 12. By the time we get there, it's gonna be 12:30. Well, by the time I change, it's gonna be 1. We're gonna be there for like an hour, and then leave.
Where?
Anyways, I want to play this one.
We gotta put it away.
We've played this one long enough. Okay. And what do you think you're doing? You need to help me put this away. Just put that down. But help me put this away.
She's crazy.
I'm not crazy. If I was crazy, he wouldn't be with me.
I'm scared. Okay, I'll help you put this away. So how does it go? Does I put this like this?
No. Take it out. Okay. Put it right. No, other way. Other way.
Like that?
Okay, now hold it together all very still while I put it in its packaging. I think your brother would have more to say then. No, actually, Jared would have a lot to say. Every time you touch that, it makes a lot of noise.
It does? Mm-hmm. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Jack.
Yeah, so just leave it alone. Babe, you are okay. Next, we're gonna play Taboo. In case you haven't heard of this game.
I woke up and said good morning, babe.
Hello?
And she freaked the fuck out because I called her.
Anyways, long story short, you're trying to get your partner to guess this top game without saying any of the other words. Easy enough, right? You would think. Great. Oh, I'm sorry.
What would you say?
I don't want to say that wrong. Well, I think I'm just drunk. Oh my God. What are you doing? Oh.
I was adjusting that.
I just would like to say that why are you refilling my drink? I wasn't even done with my first drink.
Why is your face red, babe?
Because I'm always red. Am I not always red? Stop it.